Hi everyone, my name is A.Rizvi. People call me Alam. It's like saying Adam but with an L instead of a D. I am from Streamwood, Illinois. It's about 30 minutes west of Chicago downtown. It's cold, weather is pretty unpredictable. Yep. I moved to US back in 2008 and I got married to a very beautiful makeup artist. We now have two super cute kids, a boy who is 8 years old and a girl who is 3 years old. They make working from home so much fun for me. Watching them grow up is everything that I can ever, hope for. I have traveled almost the whole of the US and I love traveling. I can't get enough of traveling. The places that I haven't been to US, I definitely want to go there. They're on my bucket list. I started school in 2010 in Illinois at DeVry University, and that was for accounting and management. I took online classes, so I'm very familiar with the whole online classes, how they work, the discussions, and the posts. But I had to drop out of there because of family emergency, and now I'm back at it 11 years later. Very proud of that. I have international credits from England for accounting and management. Mainly, I'm a photographer by profession. It's actually more photography and videography both. I have an Instagram account by the name of Lights Camera Alam Zabe. My goal is to one day actually own my own video production company, and that's why I'm pursuing this degree for business management because I wanted to understand the ins and outs of the business. There's a lot more that goes into business, like the accounting, the cost accounting, the management part of it. So that is why I wanted to finish my degree, and I feel like it is going to help me out a lot. I've been editing videos and photos since I can imagine, since I was like maybe 11 years old. And I've always been so like into photography, just taking pictures of my brothers and cousins and then random weddings. I get very excited every time a new gear comes out, a camera or just accessories of it. I have to test them out, and I read reviews about it. And I do extensive research of my own about it. I am a big cricket fan. On a side note, I wanted to be a professional cricket player as well. I was very good at it. So, but now we're here in Illinois. I do broadcasting of the cricket. I am very heavily involved in supporting uh, the recognition of cricket to be in the U.S. market. We don't have too many supporters, but we're trying to get as many supporters in cricket. So please support us. My passion for cricket and for photography cameras, it is out of the world, and I love it.